Altcoins pump, then dump. Bitcoin dips and crypto Twitter panics. If you're stuck between FOMO buying and panic selling, this is how you survive this bull run with calm, conviction, and your capital intact. Every bull market has two traps. The first, panic selling the second you see a red candle. If a small dip makes you panic, ask yourself, are you overexposed to risky microcaps, over-leveraged, or just emotionally scarred from the last cycle? The second trap, FOMO buying every time an altcoin pumps 30%. This isn't 2021. Most coins won't do 100x. And even if they pump, they'll give it all back the second Bitcoin moves. So how do you stay calm? Simple. Allocate wisely. 50 to 60% Bitcoin, 20% Ethereum, 20% blue chip alts, Solana, BNB, XRP, rotating when trends shift. This setup does two things. It keeps you from panicking on Bitcoin dips and stops you from feeling left out when alts run. If your portfolio swings 20% on a small Bitcoin move, you're gambling, not investing. The biggest edge in crypto isn't chasing pumps, it's patience. The market rewards those who wait, not those who react to every tweet. Now, who do you want to be?